Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, February the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me? This is the email address you can use. This is a link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room at 9 o'clock every morning, and that's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at about 9:05, and I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In this link and also on the body of the email, you will see a subscription link with a promo code for 15% off the first month of a standard or premium subscription, or the entire year of a standard or premium. You'll also see a link for the test drive. The test drive, this is the last day you can sign up for it, all right? So if you do sign up for it today, after the market closes, you will get 5 full trading days starting tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next week. And it will cost you $8.88. And once the test drive is over, there's nothing for you to do. You don't have to unsubscribe. We don't put you into a subscription or anything like that. But it's a great way to try us out. It's our full premium service, just as if you were a premium subscriber. So we get the question all the time, do you have free trials? No, we don't, but this is the next best thing. We do this 4 times a year, and tonight is the last night you can sign up for it. All right, well, again, because it is test drive week, I'm not trading that much, but I do want to point out, I want to point out a couple of things, but I want to point out the Nexa trade that I did take. And you can see there was the alert right there, okay? And when I first saw it, Nexa was not trading very much volume. Still isn't really. It's only 197,000 shares. But what I liked about it was the daily chart. I saw this. Remember now, this is yesterday. This is today's candle. So when I looked left on it, I thought, okay, it's got a, there's a nice, what I call a void or a gap that it could potentially fill. Now, when I say that in the room, I don't mean it's going to. I have no idea what it's going to do. But at least I don't have to worry about chart resistance. Contrast that with, here's another Holly alert. Let's see, is this one? Yeah. So when I saw FULT, I looked at it and I thought, well, you know what? There's the alert at 1618. Lot of resistance, not that far away. You look at a daily chart, lots and lots of resistance, not that far away. So that to me, even though it's a Holly alert, people ask me all the time, well, how do I personally choose which ones to use, which ones to take? I look at a daily chart, and if I like what I see, then it becomes a candidate. It doesn't mean I'm absolutely going to take it, but when I see this, I just have a tough time thinking that it's going to pop through all this resistance. And especially if it's not an earnings play. Today is not an earnings play, so I didn't see any specific news on it. So I thought, well, what's the impetus for it to really pop through all this? And so that's an example. There were several other alerts. This is the one that got away from me. I am so upset with myself. 10B. This was the Holly alert to short. And let's take a look at it on the 15-minute chart. I'll bring up, there's where Holly had the short. And the spread was tough. And I watched this as it broke down through 27. So there's the alert at 27.22. There's another thing. People say, well, I can't get the short right when Holly got it. First of all, I usually do not enter trades right when Holly suggests. I like to wait around a little bit to see how it's trading. And the other thing I also like to do is see a break of the whole number. Anyway, the bottom line is it was sitting at 26.90, 27 on the bid for quite a while. I could have taken it right there, and I just didn't pull the trigger. I was kind of waiting to see, and then all of a sudden it just gapped down. So a lot of people, look at this. There's the bottom, 25.17 from 27.22. That's over a $2 move. But anyway, that one definitely was the one that got away. This is the one, I only point this one out, this MGNX, because the funny thing is, let's take a look at it on a daily chart, and you're going to see why, well, I think it's funny anyway. See this day here? This was a day in which, we saw this in the pre-market, and I don't know how many analysts, but we certainly saw some analysts suggesting this was, a big sell, and we were all watching it to see, it got down to 983, and I was bound and determined to short this one because there's no support for it. You know, I mean, I think at that point that was an all-time low, and but it popped up that day, and then this was yesterday, and then today they come up with a huge announcement, phase three study, which was produced some great results. I mean, this is just an astonishing move. We see moves like this, but I guess what I just find it rather crazy is that not only 2 days ago, several analysts were saying this one is cratering, short it. So just goes to show. I'm sure the company is just ecstatic. Maybe they knew the news was coming. I don't know, but ecstatic that they were able to sort of say, "Take that, analysts." I'm actually waiting on this one to see if it can break through 25, though, to see, to see if this might turn into a nice short now. Because I mean it's come up so much. I mean it's still up 125%. It's up $14. So the other one that's I'm only saying this, if you follow politics at all in the States, you know what the president calls this company, the failing New York Times. It's just interesting that it had earnings today, and look at it on the daily chart. Big break. This is a 2-year high now. Unfortunately, I didn't miss it. I saw it, and I was talking about it right here on this break right here. I said, "Hey guys, nice little consolidation break. In fact, it looks probably even better on the 5-minute chart." Yeah, right there. You see that break right there? And the volume came in. It broke over 28. And I was saying, "Hey guys, look at this one, earnings play. Look what it just kept doing." And it's not a low float. It's 157 million in the float, so it's not like a low float. But what an incredible move. I know a lot of people in the room took advantage of it. But anyway, certainly a great day for the New York Times. Back to the 15-minute chart. New York Times, it's at the high right now of the day. So that's about it. I want to get back into the room. So again, I know I'm going to nag at you, but the reason I do this is because we're going to get the emails. I know I'm going to get some emails where people are going to come into the room. "Barry, I heard you talking about the test drive, and I just forgot to do it. Is there any way?" We can't. When it is over, it's over. So please, if you want to take advantage of it, sign up for it tonight. So let's see. I want to bring back the capture program. And I'll open the room tomorrow, 9 o'clock Eastern. So hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.